Hello and welcome to Okuma. My name is Yannick Laubach and I'm the product specialist for machining centers and double color machining centers at Okuma Europe. Behind me you can see the MB-46VII Mark II. The MB-46 is a compact vertical machining center engineered for high speed, high precision 3-axis machining. With a double column structure and Okuma's Thermo-Friendly Concept, it ensures consistent accuracy even during long production runs. Whether you're machining molds, precision parts or prototypes, the MB-46 delivers. Its high-speed spindle, fast tool changes and rigid construction make it ideal for a wide range of industries. Powered by Okuma's OSP P500 control, the MB-46VII Mark II integrates seamlessly into modern factories. With optional automation and real-time monitoring, it boosts productivity while reducing downtime. Discover how precision, speed and intelligence comes together with the MB-46VII Mark II only at Okuma. If you want to receive more information, please contact us at info@okuma.eu.